In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the replay feature in TradingView. This powerful tool allows you to revisit past market data and backtest your strategies, making it an essential part of any trader's toolkit. Let's dive straight into how you can take full advantage of this functionality. First, head over to the TradingView website. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your chart. This can be done by navigating to the Charts section from the main menu. Make sure the chart you're working with is set up to your liking with the relevant indicators or tools you typically use. Now, for the key feature we're discussing today, look towards the top of your chart interface. You should see the replay button prominently displayed there. When you click this button, you'll notice a scissor icon appears, accompanied by a vertical line. This tool allows you to select a specific starting point for your replay. Simply drag the line to the point on the chart where you want to begin your analysis, and then click to confirm your selection. It's quite intuitive and gives you the flexibility to jump to any point in time you're interested in examining. With your starting point selected, you'll then notice additional navigation options become available. These include the left and right arrows, which allow you to step backward or forward in time. This functionality is particularly useful for simulating live trading conditions. You can test how your strategies could have played out step by step without needing to wait through real-time market activity. Additionally, you have the capability to zoom in and out, letting you analyze both the big picture and the finer details of past market movements. If at any point you want to exit the replay mode, the process is straightforward. Simply click the replay button again, and you will revert back to the live chart mode, ready to tackle your next round of analysis or actual trading. Replay mode isn't just a tool for beginners. Experienced traders can also leverage this feature to refine their approaches, validate hypotheses, or even share insights with peers. By experimenting with different scenarios and practicing your analysis skills, you'll be better prepared to make informed decisions in real-time trading. That wraps up our tutorial on using the replay feature in TradingView. I hope you found this guide informative and easy to follow. Be sure to explore this feature further, as it can really enhance your trading practice. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video where we'll dive into more tips and tricks to level up your trading game.